A leading manufacturer of windows and doors is suing a provider of industrial automation systems for allegedly failing to deliver the equipment needed for a multi-million-dollar factory overhaul. Anderson Corporation, the Minnesota Star Tribune reports, reached an agreement 5 years ago with ATS Corporation, under which it would build automated equipment for an Anderson factory in Iowa. Anderson said that it poured millions into the Dubuque facility to produce more of its E-Series windows, a high-end line aimed at the custom home building market. But ATS, Anderson argued in a complaint filed in Washington County, Minnesota court, missed its deadlines, demanded millions in additional payments, and halted work on the project altogether. Its work, the filing continued, also suffered from design and quality control issues, as well as poor project management. The equipment, in total, was 860 days late, according to the suit. Anderson sued ATS for breach of contract and said that the delay has resulted in unspecified financial damages and postponed the launch of its new E-Series product. ATS told the paper in a statement that it would defend itself through appropriate channels and would not make further comments on the matter. The Ontario-based company, the Star Tribune noted, has also been sued by 2 other major manufacturers in recent months over assembly systems for electric vehicle batteries and components. ATS and General Motors settled a lawsuit filed by the automaker, but another complaint, filed by Illinois Tool Works, remains pending. I'm Andy Zoll. This is Manufacturing Now.